Let me check if everything is working. Let me see. Okay, we are online. Let me start background music right away. Okay, so what's new this time? Actually, the feature that I was requesting was pushed to the Babylon.js master, so the version that contains that change was released like 3 or 4 days ago, the latest version, and we can try to do this now, and probably we can get rid of this queue. What we need first, we need to update to newer version of Babylon.js, and well, actually I did it already in the background, so nothing interesting, so just updated version. But as you can see, here is a big jump in version number, yeah, because we skipped quite a lot, but right now this is the latest version and it finally has that new feature, so let's try to do something around it. So how does it work? Practically, now the sound has this property that shows how many instances playing, and if instance is still playing, we can reject more playthroughs. The only disadvantage of that compared to our queue is that queue still allows to play multiple instances. It just prevents them playing too close to each other. As you can see, here is a threshold parameter, and this is necessary delay before you can start playing like new instance. Realistically, probably we don't need it that much. We can just prevent playing, so all we need to do, I guess, when we request push, we checking if sound and this property and we want to check max instances, right? Yeah. So if this is bigger or equal sound max instances, no, just in case, let me copy that, and yeah, actually I do it other way. If it's lower than that, then we just play like this. And well, the closest example is Explosion Manager. So let's see. a single explosion. Okay, now let's do something massive. As massive as this. I think it kinda works. Yeah. And just to check, let's see what will happen if we will play it regardless. It works anyway because we have limit of instances here, but okay, let's experiment more. If we have here like 20, okay, now I obviously can hear, and with this approach well, I guess it didn't work. Let's see what's going on. Is it possible that I don't know. Okay, let's see. Audio manager. Yeah, sorry, I understand. Because I set up like too many instances. How many barrels do we have? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it 10? Yeah, 10. Okay, 15 barrels. Let me cap it by, let's say, 7. It's probably bad experiment. I just want to ensure that variables are correct. And they are not. Oh. Okay, first one is picking up, okay. And here. Okay, 2 hits, okay. One. I probably need longer sound to ensure because before, if max instances is reached, it terminates first instance and starts new one. And here with this, it doesn't even need to start. And I guess it's working. It's definitely reaches the code there because I see console log. Yeah, I think it works, so we can pretty much eradicate the queue. Don't need this anymore. All of this, all of this, and we need where do we initialize audio manager? I think not even here. How about here? Not even here. Which means that most likely it's happening here, right? Yeah. And somewhere it is connected to the scene, right? Probably in main menu or something. Okay, procs managers. Okay, it's in the level. Okay. Well, obviously. Okay. So we don't need to process that anymore. I think this will work. What else we need to search? We need to check our situations where we call push instead of play. Okay. Yeah, collect sound obviously. what's the file? It's floating, but I think I will not be able to pick it up that fast. But we can do experiment. So floating medkit and so we're super close. Did it work? I think I have even better idea. Okay, I will make them super close and I go do some damage. Okay. I think it still was a lot. Or maybe I am hallucinating. Okay. Interesting. I think it's because we didn't set up limit on max instances. That can be a thing. Collect sound, this collect sound, and yeah, that's why. If I do like this, yeah, that's good, but maybe I keep some bigger limits so we can grab a lot of items in batches, but just not too much, because if we picking up like 20 items at the same time, that probably will be too loud. It was only 2 because I started with good amount. Let's try this again. That's okay. Okay. Let's go fewer. Glass. But if we have floating object, like floating collectible object, I think, yeah, we have same problem here. I will add similar thing here, pickable object. And pickable medkit. It doesn't define any long sound, so it's fine. And here we did change. Yeah, we can actually revert this file. Okay, so glass destroy sound. This one I probably want to limit to 1. Best way to test it is to use something like this, shotgun. I would still trigger it 3 of them because they were far. What if we put them close? Okay, glass. Okay, very good. I think this is position. Let's do it like this. Let's see what will change. Still was 3 times, and I think that's why, because when we call build glass in the world, where is it? World builder, build class. Yeah, so we initiate new class, and yeah, that's why. Not good. But my previous implementation did not protect from that either. And what we can do here, we can just do like singleton approach. It's like level manager, current scene, sound. Okay, it's like audio manager, audio engine, let me see, SFX pass. let's go from here. What I'm trying to do is to retreat all registered sounds. As notes, whatever it is. Okay. Where? Okay. So it's all in audio engine. So your engine. Okay, that will be super complicated. Let's go to the API. Let's look for methods. State, listener. Okay, no public methods, so which means that we should do it hard way. And when we create a sound, we specify engine, right? Like this class. I guess it founds itself. So audio manager doesn't have public one. Okay. Oh, sorry. I am at the wrong place. Audio engine. Now I don't have this one, but have this one. And everyone has like so let's try extract map and it will be what's this one? It's set. It's set of objects, and when we go items, not items, values. Okay. And okay, it returns another iterator. Does it really work? Okay, let's try our way. Returns undefined. Okay. does any entry has some. Okay, and okay, we can find now. Unfortunately, this is the set, but like set of objects we cannot just do get. We like can do find all actually, and will be what's the name of it? Class destroy sound. Okay. Doesn't have find all. Yeah, but it has like this. We can do, instead of find, like filter, and yeah, where it is. Okay, this is what we can do. Have audio manager provided, so can go like this, and if this thing exists, I mean, if it doesn't exist, then we create new sound. But that's absolutely disastrous. We move it to audio manager and just get sound name. I'm doing like this. Let's do it differently, probably. No. Let's do it completely different. We can use find here, because we're looking for the first. Do this. And well, where is it? Glass. So if is get sound right. Get sound. This destroy sound equal this or this, pretty much. My monitor just blinked. I don't know what's going on with it. Okay, it should work, right? So let's see. So let's get the shotgun. Still gets 3 hits. Still does 3 times, which means that I actually understand why this is going on, because this stuff is async. That's why. That's why. Well, this is very annoying. Can we do something about it? Well, the easiest solution actually is to do dependency injection. We initialize it once and just move it once, and that's it. I don't know, maybe let's do that. So we have audio manager and I don't know. I don't like dependency injection here also. I just don't know. We can technically check what current sound is playing, but it's so stupid. We need to like limit this stuff. Unfortunately, the most non-conflicting way to do this is just to pass it here. I initialize it somewhere. Yeah, I really hate this, like, asynchronous things. Because of that. Because, okay, even if we initialize this sound outside of this class and pass it as dependency, it might be not ready yet. Actually, we forgot to do this thing. Yeah, but it will not help us. Or will it? Should not. Yeah. Doesn't affect anything. Even if we debug. So get sound. Go here. Like. Plus destroy sound, and it goes here. Like, I have 3 times. Okay. I made 2 stupid mistakes, but I think even this will not help. So let me check. I don't know how this happened, but... Oh, what? You want to say it works now? I don't think it should be not reliable. Okay. But I mean, it's just happy accident probably, because we didn't fix this, like, asynchronous racing. Okay, I'll take it for now. Yeah, because, I mean, I really don't feel like fixing it properly. Well, what's the problem? By the time when we go inside this function, this thing didn't fire yet, so it didn't finish this initialization yet, I think. That's why this may return false even if we requested already song initialization. However, who knows, maybe this function creates a record in the collection synchronously, and I don't know. I will ask a question about it on the forum anyway, because at least we should not access these like private properties. So yeah, I will find out. Maybe they register sound like synchronously, and it should not be a problem. I guess. Probably. Maybe. Okay, anyway, then let's see our application of this. Yeah, this is it. It's pickable object of being where, explosion manager, floating collection. Okay, new stuff. Imported monster. Okay, alert sound on push. Alert sound. Where is it? Okay, here is our sounds. We have like, we don't have it here, but we have it here. Alert. Monster audio. Should be something like need, yeah. We set up one. I think we can live with 4. And we don't create that per instance. Oh no, we create that actually per instance. Okay, let's try something the same. Name, key, and alert. Let me try. That's probably a bit too hard. Name. Oh. Is it a valid method at all? Yeah. Okay. Okay, it happens once here, but what if we go to the monster pack? and create one more. Okay, it will be like this, and this. Got demon 1 alert sound and 0, yeah. But you know what? Whatever. But I mean, that's fine. I don't care about that much, to be honest. Well, let it be, like, really. We can technically move all that stuff into descriptors, so monsters will be sharing same sound objects, which probably okay thing to do, but they are too active and like roaming around. I think it doesn't worth it. It doesn't worth my time. And just like really revert it. And you know what? Regarding glass, like okay, we'll send like this. I think that this is technically the same sound. It's spatial sound, but it will be teleporting into different spots if we share it. You know what? It's fine. It's totally fine. I don't care. Let's just leave it. It's fine. But this function is still useful, I think, that we created here. Like where? So let it be. But let's continue our search. Okay. Okay, this is class, imported monster, alert sound, collect sound, it's explosion manager, pickable object. What's this? It's weapon. And but again here, like same story like with monsters. Those sounds created in a loop, yeah. But here actually it goes like for entire thing. It's not per instance. So here we can probably like, well, we created, yeah. Here this probably will work. We can actually easily check it right now. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay. Okay, it creates multiple instances, but why? Weapon has like spawn pickable instance function, right? Like, where is it? Here. Yeah, create pickup instance. Weapon 8. Pickup instance, and it just creates instance. And this instance has handler. To pick up. Okay, I don't understand why we go here several times. Okay, this is reasonable. Okay, it created once. Okay, I assume nodes it's something else. That's incorrect. It's like currently playing instances, I guess. Or instances that played in the past. Okay, then what else do we have? Alright, I guess I will just ask. When we don't really need to spend too much time on it right now. Let's just go through and check what we did. Okay, that's fine, because this is working. Yeah, with spawning instance and this refers to the same sound pretty much. Works here. technically should work with weapon pen because here's the same thing. Don't know why it's not working. Okay, here is clear. Here is clear. Here. Okay, here. Okay, I can revert this one. Like. Okay. Okay. I think probably it's not that big of a trouble to worry about that too much. But it's interesting how can I collect this information for this function. So I probably add to okay. I will keep that one for the time being. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for today, and by the next time I will try to figure out where to extract this information, and what is more important, do we want to do something about creating multiple instances of the same sound, for example, like a separate sound, not share it for the glass and for some like, other stuff, like for weapons. Okay, let's finish for today. My age 35. Recently celebrated 35 years old. Not like celebrated, but yeah. Oh wow. Video is not getting updated. Wow. Probably crashed. That's weird. I mean, I see the stream on the stream, but I don't see it here. There are some like rendering issues, and I don't know if it's like because of graphics card or because monitor, I don't know. But anyway, as you can see the action. I don't know, maybe just OBS crashed. Maybe everything is much simpler. Okay, see you next week at the same time. Yeah, time zone shifted actually, so yeah, now we continue streams at this time as we started today, but yeah, every Sunday so far. See you in a week. Bye.